Hey everybody, it's Tina Plackinger. Welcome to my channel, where I read daily devotions out of my daily devotional, Treading on Serpents. Today is June 26th. It's kind of long and it's kind of heavy, but it is what it is. So, we bounce around inside a circle of people who are all one. The same gang stalking and harassment techniques are used nationwide. The training may have started with the Stasi, East Germany secret police. Hand signals similar to those used by baseball players help gang stalking informants covertly communicate with one another. This really makes them feel important. Perpetrators do their homework on a prospective target long before they pull out the starting pin. The more isolated the target is, the better of an opportunity for the group to perform their finest cruelty. The more vicious the attack, the better entertainment it is for the members. It is like a form of sport harassment, if you will. Behind the scenes, gang stalkers can coerce events and sadistically orchestrate a target's life. Once the group gets what they want, they downshift from friendliness to complete alienation, hoping to run the TI out of the area. Sometimes strong-arm tactics are used to force the target out of the state. This is important to the organization, especially if they stole guns and vehicles, or a lot of money was extorted from the target. The community, including the cops, would want this type of TI as far away as possible. Wherever the target goes, the nationwide members will continue the harassment to prevent him or her from returning for his property or worse, revenge. This level of victimization can cause us post-traumatic stress disorder, but we must find ways to heal. There is no reason for us to settle for a life of discouragement. No matter how many times we get knocked down, we must get back up. God always sees our determination. When we do everything we can, God will do those things we can't. Today's affirmation is, today I will withstand the enemy. I know that people throughout the world are suffering like me. I'm going to leave you with that. There's a lot there. I speak from experience over and over and over. We stay in the fight. We focus on Jesus. We live one day at a time, and together we can do this thing. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Be safe.